All right, what else do I want to show? Oh yeah, the search mode. Let's go into this again. If I want to say I want to search for a song, let's go in the 1960s. These are some songs I have in my Let's See drive, which shows you right up here the path of where I'm at. Sorry, I'm kind of tilted here, but I'm real close to the computer. If I want to search for something, this has got a really, really cool search mode. The search is up here on almost every Windows Explorer screen. If I just type in, that's how fast it searches. Let me give you the whole page again, because this is like really cool. It's almost too fast. Say I want to search for a song by the Beatles, and I'm going to type real slow the word Beatle. Watch what happens. See how fast this changes? Don't know how I got that. Oh, I went to Google somehow. That's interesting. Well, anyway, I think you get the idea. This is a really, really fast search mode. So that's kind of neat. All right. What else can we show here? Oh, here's something that's kind of unique. If you install a program that you used to use with XP, a lot of them will work. Some of them won't. Some of them need updates from Microsoft. But for the most part, I found that the programs that I had in XP do work. If you try one that is an XP program, for example, this defrag that I downloaded, you double click it. Here's what happens. This is kind of unique. I've got too many windows open. The whole screen turns dark except for this middle box right here. And it says an unidentified program wants to access your computer. And you have two choices, cancel or allow. I'm going to allow it. And there we are. It opens up. So that's kind of unique. Let me get rid of this thing. When you try to use a program that worked on XP, but it's not really made for Vista. So that's kind of interesting in there. Let's see. Here's something else that's kind of interesting with regards to YouTube. If I try to upload a video, that means I've lost my internet connection again. If I try to upload a video on YouTube, this is very interesting, the way this works. Let's see now. Let's just do a simple test video just to save time. This is kind of rough to do with a microphone and then a microphone and the tripod, so give me a little time here to get this going. Okay, now this is interesting. Now I'm using Mozilla Firefox, by the way. I don't use Internet Explorer, it's just too slow. This is the newest version of Mozilla Firefox. If I go to the first upload page on YouTube and I want to pick a video to upload, I hit upload video. It will stay on this page and not upload it. It says connecting. It will stay connecting for hours without uploading. What I have to do is go to this link here, which says click here. And now this is the next upload page, where again I can browse, pick my video, open it up, and upload, and it actually starts to work. Don't know why. I think this is a Firefox thing because I don't go through this when I do use Internet Explorer. So I think it's just a Firefox anomaly, as it were. Okay, so anyway, I don't want to do this, so I'm going to get out of this. Just go to my home page, I guess. There we go. Here's something else that's kind of new in Vista, and this to me, this is my particular favorite feature of Vista. We're down here on the taskbar, And this is a little thing called Switch Between Windows. And let me open this thing up and show you what this does. This is really neat. You hit Switch Between Windows, you get this cascading view of all your open windows. And by hitting your arrow keys on the keyboard, you can flip through them. It doesn't matter if you use left and right or up and down keys. It doesn't matter at all. And they're all in real time, by the way. And it even shows you the desktop as well. Now I have all these windows open. Here's the desktop. And supposedly, if you mouse on this page, this is the page that you get. I say supposedly because it doesn't always work. But that's a computer for you. And as you can see, we have this Windows Media Player going in real time now that I got it going. This is why Vista needs so much memory. It has a lot of things going on at once, and I think it requires, 2 gigs of memory to really work well. Now here's something else that is part of the control panel that I use a lot. This is called the Network and Sharing Center. And what this shows is your connectivity to the internet. Since I've had so many problems in the last few months with my internet connection, I kind of have this on my desktop as a shortcut so I can go to it any time. If the internet connection coming into my house is broken, which you saw a while ago, there'll be an X there. If between the modem and my computer it's broken, I'll have an X over there, so I can see if I'm online or offline. And this is kind of neat. Now this screen's actually showing that I'm offline for a change. And this is why I'm getting rid of Roadrunner the last week of February of 2008. See that big X between internet and network right there? That means I'm offline. And this has been happening at least once every half hour for the last 4 days here in the middle of February of 2008. So this is why I'm getting rid of Roadrunner. Too many headaches, too unreliable, too unstable, and it's ridiculous. Now when this X goes away, which it should momentarily, I'll be back online. There it goes. And now I can get to websites again.